Hey everyone, welcome back to Devante's 81 Supra. Today I'm showing you how we fixed a misfire issue on my 5M-GE engine by replacing these spark plugs and coils. Well, if your Supra is running rough, this might be a fix. So let's get into it. So you can see there's a huge difference for these both coils. I ordered for original coils, waiting for those to get here, but for the meantime while we wait, we're going to make use of this because as in, this is my daily driver. I have to drive this and I can't drive this while she misfires, so I have to get something I can use while I wait for the coils I ordered for to come, because they're coming from Japan, so it will take a while. So let's get started. Okay. So guys, I think we've encountered a little bit of an issue. If you can see the fourth hole, the coil broke, leaving the coil and the plug in it. But I think this should be something we can fix. Maybe let me get something like a plier I can use in pulling this out. I'll let you know. We've been able to get all 5 plugs and coil out. Just one to coil. Which of oops, this is what happened. This was already bad and damaged, so it broke in it. These are not the coils for the stars. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so plugs have been changed, coil has been replaced. These are not new coils, but plugs were actually new. We ordered for the OEM part of this, still waiting for them to get delivered, but I had to make use of something else while I wait because this is my daily driver. I drive this daily, every day. She runs pretty good now. These were the plugs I went with Denso power pack, and well, I'm just going to put her on to see how she drives, how she runs. The engine still shakes after the coil and spark plugs have been replaced. I wonder why. So I feel like there's a leakage or something somewhere. So I have to properly inspect to be sure that there's no leakage, because I've checked the coils. The coil seems to be working perfectly fine. I've checked the plug seems to be working fine as well. So I feel like maybe the air hoses, a leakage somewhere, but I'm going to just give her a little gas up this part up before. Oh, I think this should be the problem. So I feel perfect. Like you could hear how she instantly started running smooth. So I feel the plugs are running well, the coils are running good. So this is actually a good progress. Everything is running perfect and good. So that was a good fix. So this plug actually did work. I had my doubts for the coils, also had doubts for the coils, but it worked. So that should be all about it for this episode. So if your 5M-GE engine is shaking or misfiring, I think that should be the fix. You should ensure that the air hoses are properly tightened. There shouldn't be any leakage. Although you can still hear her vibrate a little bit, but she sounds better than how she used to sound before, and she runs smoother now. So yeah. is what she sounds like with a good closed. I think she runs pretty well. So if you enjoyed this video, you like, you subscribe and you share. Thank you.